Not all of your negotiations are going to go smoothly. Sometimes you can be nearing time to close and then things get heated. How can you create order in these heated discussions to close a deal? Here are some strategies for preventing and cooling off heated negotiations. First, set an agenda. Even if you don't share it with anyone in the meeting, a visual outline can help you stay on track in case you forget to mention something. Also, remember that negotiations may be through other lines of communications, such as email or phone conversations. Agendas give you the time to think things through rather than answering in haste because you can read your outline as you speak or type. Secondly, plan for objections and concerns that may come up in meetings. You want to prepare ahead of time to avoid getting sidetracked later. What are the potential counter-arguments to your proposal? How will you respond in a way that would appeal to your opponent? Third, discuss the real problem. You and your opponent could be arguing one day, but the cause of the disagreement could have been from the other day. Make sure you know what is bugging you and bring that into the open. This will help solve the issue and prevent other parts of the negotiation from breaking down as well. And finally, don't use threats. Instead, use facts to get your point across.